going to be doing a video of me sharpening my two other knives that I carry with me. My main carry for a knife is, a blade is this one, but I also carry this one on me. It has just the scissors and a bottle opener, screwdriver, everything standard on whatever that is. And then I have this multi-tool here. It's not Leatherman or Gerber or anything. It's just like a Chinese brand, but it'll do the job for now because I'm spending some money on some other stuff that I'll have a video on once I get it, which won't be for a while, but this will do just the job for now. But the knife or blade on this is very small and dull, and when I say dull, it doesn't cut paper, doesn't really cut anything. So that, and this one just could be a little bit more sharper. So I'm just going to be using the same two stones I did as last time. I'm going to go ahead and do a cut test of each knife before I sharpen them and then after. So we'll start off with this one first. I'll do it so you can see. I'll start right here. That wasn't too good. Nope. So now it's pretty dull. I think I just dulled it out. I try to sharpen up the ceramic pot, so yeah. And here's this one. I'll do it on the other side of the holes. So, these are in dire need of sharpening. Here's this one just for kicks. Just so you know how dull they are compared to what I usually carry. So I'll get back to you after I sharpen them. Okay, done sharpening just this one. I don't know how long. Probably 10 minutes. And, here were the old cuts right here, and let's do the new ones. Of course. It's hard to do because I'm doing it from behind the camera only. I get into a better position. Now it's not doing it. Yeah, right. Okay. There we are. Just not cutting it right. Alright. So it's a lot better than the original cuts, and it is pretty sharp. I just need to cut that paper right now. Still got one more to go. I have a feeling this one's going to give me a lot of trouble. So my knives are all sharp, while this knife is sharp. This blade I give up on because I went over it the most I ever have trying to sharpen a knife, and there's no damage. It just doesn't get sharp. I'm not worried about it because I always have two more knives on me. So that's that. Rocking a new watch I got. Gonna make a video on that here. You'll probably see that before you see this. And that's it. So, see you in the next video.